friends, welcome back to ABS Tech channel. Hope you are fine now. In this video I'm going to show you the live price prediction, the live price change occur and the Zilliqa in the last 1 hour, in the last 2 hours. What's the price change, what's the high price of Zilliqa in the previous hours, I'm going to show you in this video. So before starting this video, if you don't subscribe my channel, so kindly subscribe my channel and complete my 3K subscriber. Thank you so much for subscribing my channel. Now let's see the live price prediction of Zilliqa in the last 1 hour, in the last 2 hours. As you can see now on the screen, the last 1 hour result of the Zilliqa crypto. As you can see here, if we see the chart analysis of the Zilliqa, so it's clear that in the previous time they falls down, as you can see here, but now don't worry about the Zilliqa. As you can see here, now currently at this time they are jumping upward. So my suggestion to hold it with the end of this month, because they are jumping upward in this month. As you can see here, now currently they are in the jumping. So if we see the changes of the Zilliqa in the previous last 1 hour, so they are negative because they falls down in the previous hours. As you can see here, currently at this time the changes is about negative 0.07% change occur in the Zilliqa in the previous hour, and the high price of Zilliqa is about $0.18799 is the high price of Zilliqa in the previous last 1 hour. Friends, that is a live price prediction of previous last 1 hour. Now let's see the 2 hour result of previous last 2 hour result of the Zilliqa. What's the change occur in the previous 2 hour, what's the high price of Zilliqa in the previous 2 hour. As I told you in the start of this videos, they falls down in the previous hour. As you can see here, at this time they falls down, but don't worry, as I told you to hold it with the end of this month. As you can see here, currently they are jumping upward, as you can see here. So it's a good news for our Zilliqa holders. If we see the changes of the Zilliqa in the previous 2 hours, so the changes is about positive 0.87% change occur in the Zilliqa in the previous 2 hours, and the price of the Zilliqa is about $0.18799 is the high price of Zilliqa in the previous 2 hours. Friends, that is a live price prediction of Zilliqa in the last 2 hours, in the last 1 hour. You are watching now on ABS Tech channel. Please don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and update about cryptocurrency markets.